I never shot this video. I never said this. This video was made by Gemini Omni. It even replicated my voice. Scary, right? Create absolutely stunning visuals with a single prompt. Yes, what you're seeing is made by AI.
So we've been using Gemini Omni for our clients every day at Coffee Media recently, and the results are absolutely insane. This is the kind of reach all my content has gotten recently. So I know there's a huge demand for learning how to use it, and it's fairly simple. So stick with me and I'll show you. The first step is that you'll have to create your avatar. You can create your avatar on the Gemini app, and it's fairly simple. It's just gonna take 2 minutes. I was actually shocked at the fact that it only made me speak like 5 words, and it picked up my exact tonality, and that's absolutely insane. The work they are doing at DeepMind is mind-blowing. Now, once your avatar is ready, you can literally create any graphic or visual that you want to, as long as you're sticking to their guidelines. You cannot get copyrighted image, but apart from that, you can literally do anything you want with Gemini Omni. So here are my favorite ways that I am going to be using it. Number one, you can use Gemini Omni to create insane hooks for your videos, just like the way I made for this video or for my content on my social media. I make sure that I am doing some wow factor in the content. This could be you in a certain kind of a clothing, for example, the Cinderella outfit or Harry Potter outfit or even Game of Thrones outfits, anything that you think your audience will be familiar with, and they will get shocked when they look at it. Because see, at the end of the day, it's about whether you're using AI productively instead of just using it for the sake of it. 2, you can actually use Gemini Omni to edit your current videos. You can upload any present video and you can add characters in it and even edit that video with your prompts. 3, if you sell physical products, it's amazing for you to create visuals with your product. Let's say you sell chocolate flavor candles, you can actually make graphics with your candles in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory using Gemini Omni, which would have been impossible otherwise. Greetings, Starshine. Try our new chocolate candles, a candle that smells as good as it looks. They look just like real chocolate, made from the finest Wonka beans. It is truly delicious. Get yours today and find your golden ticket.
It's my first day at Hogwarts. Apparently you need robes, spell books, potions, but thank God I'm ready with Mokobara. Magic is great. Good luggage is better. For witches, wizards, and frequent travelers.
If you have restaurants, bars, salons, you can actually use this to create insane visuals. You can make celebrities come into your restaurant and you can give them your haircut if you're running a salon. Welcome! I'm the owner, please come this way. So we're going for a fresh look today. I think this length will really frame your face. 4, if you're in real estate niche, you can use this for creating walkthrough videos of places that have still not been built. This is actually a major use case for all video generation tools. Next, you can make explainer style videos very easily. You can get 10 seconds up to footage, and this is going to help you take your content to the next level without any price at all. Build a personal brand, not just a profile. Transform it into a brand with authority. Define your niche to grow your audience. Turn that attention into real opportunities. Next, if you're a freelancer, you can create something for your social media to attract more clients and eyeballs to your content. Need videos that actually keep people watching? I turn raw footage into content that grabs attention, boosts engagement, and looks professional. If you're looking for an editor who understands storytelling, pacing, and retention, let's work together. Next, you can put yourself in any scene. For example, I put myself walking through Hogwarts, and this scene looks absolutely stunning.
It even replicated my voice. Scary, right?
You can also make these kind of videos which are going really viral on social media. However, if money is your end goal, I will tell you that this is not the best strategy to go about it. But yeah, I hope that this tutorial was helpful and you'll be able to use Google Omni for your video generations. When you make your creations, make sure to tag me so that I can share it with my followers. This is Saheli signing off. I'm making a video after a very long time because work has been so busy, but there was so much demand for the Omni tutorial that I just had to do it. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.